What if we kill System D? Just what if? Don't you want to know? I want to know too. Let's discover together this marvelous thing, which is what happens if I kill System D. Well, obviously in the system in a Linux that uses the System D subprocess. Okay, come on, like yeah. Let's find out. So let's just let's get the mic out of the way. Next, we'll just get ourselves some root access here. Then we do just pf minus ef grep systemd. This is going to show us what is the system process for systemd. You can use other methods like pdof systemd. Of course, if I want to type correctly. So there are multiple systemd processes, as you can see, but the ones you are, at least for now, worried about or focused on, it's this one here. So if you go back to the ps minus ef without the grep, we know that the leftmost column, if you can reach that, the leftmost column, it's the process ID itself of the process we are looking for, and the other one, it's the parent. So if you go back to our first command here, so this is the process ID's system ID's processing himself, and this is the parent. Okay, so let's find out what we do, what happens if you kill the parent. The system ID is 0. So let's go, bam. So nothing special actually occurred. I'm just killing the terminal. So I just went back to my previous user and I killed the terminal. So no biggie. And we can just go back to where we were. Okay, so let's go again. Of course, let me show you this. It's so much fun. So if I do hit here, I will kill not 1, 0. Yeah, I killed the systemd parent process, which was my shell. If I do this again on the shell where I'm at, I just end up with no shell. Okay, I will show you next what happens if we do this in a non-graphical interface. Okay, and you can work from there. If you're watching this on a short form, come and join us on the long form and see all the details. For the long form peeps, let's continue on. So we go here and get our output. So if you kill 0, no big deal happens. I will show you when we do this on the non-graphical interface. When you have no graphical interface at all, I'll show you next in a few minutes. But let's see what happens if you kill number 1. Nothing happens. Basically, systemd is still pretty happy. Let's see if we do this with come on, where is the pdof? Where is the pdof? Oh, okay. Since I'm killing the shell so abruptly, the history is not getting written. So pdof systemd. Okay. So let's see what happens if we kill not the number 1, but one of the others. Let's kill this guy there. Again, no biggie. Nothing really special happens. Let's kill this guy there. Again, this is going to just give us what? A relogin. Okay. Let's relog in here. So the system is still healthy. Systems are running. Maybe a little hiccup here and there. But for them, of course, this is just for a use case, a study case. I would not recommend you at all to do this unless. Do you have any suggestions? Put it down in the comment below. Why we should kill systemd like this in a very not stupid, but very abrupt way? Can you think of a reason that could put us through this? What could motivate us to force kill systemd? I'll see you in the next one. No. I was just joking. So if you think of a good reason, let me know in the comments below. Let's carry on. So let's put this bigger. So not this, like this. And let's go back to where we started, to the very top thingy here, which is if we do the 0, you lose the shell. No big deal. What happens if you kill number 1? So let's go back here to number 1. Apparently nothing happens. But instead of the kill, let's use the kill all systemd. This is going to kill all 3 processes, all the 3000, the 2 3000s and the number 1. And we just get logged out, like we saw before when we killed that specific 3000 process. So again, no big of a deal. Things are running, services are working. Probably a couple of hiccups, but no big of a deal so far. So let's do this one more time. I just get myself some shells. Let's go back to the PDOF. And then we do ps-ef grep. Let's grep this one to see which one it is. So it's just the login one. Okay, it's just the login one. So that's why when we kill this one, you get logged out in a way. Again, no big of a deal. So let's kill this guy again. Let's do the kill all again. Again, no big of a deal. Things are working. It just recovers itself. Now to finish this up, let's go to a non-graphical interface and do the same thing. So let's go kill all systemd. And again, we just get logged out. Not even that. So not even that happens. So, and let's just log out, log in again, and let's kill all systemd. Again, nothing special happens here. Just one more. Systemd, systemctl, isolate. Let's get ourselves completely without any graphical interface running. Let's log out. As you can see here, we log out. Let's go I'm trying control alt Fs. Nothing happens because I don't have any graphical interface running here. So control alt F2, F1, nothing. We relog in. Do the kill all again. Again, no big of a deal. This happens. No special thing happens. Most likely, or we just get, for the most part, just logged out, and we are back up and running. So, as you could imagine, systemd is a very highly protected process, and he's preserved at all costs, and always get a system back up and running. Can you think of a reasoning we should force kill systemd for some intent? So is there a reason why we should, or we will need to kill systemd for some special reason? I don't know. Maybe you just came across some situation that I didn't have. Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hype. It will help. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.